Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into Waste Connections' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Waste Connections has delivered a robust set of results this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Waste Connections reported a revenue of $2.338 billion for the third quarter, which is a 13.3% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by a 6.8% increase in core pricing and contributions from acquisitions. Additionally, there was a 90 basis points improvement in solid waste volumes, which helped push the results above expectations.
And how about profitability? The net income was $308 million, and adjusted EBITDA came in at $787.4 million. What does this tell us about the company's operational efficiency?
These figures indicate strong operational execution. The adjusted EBITDA margin improved by 120 basis points to 33.7%, showcasing Waste Connections' ability to manage costs effectively and integrate acquisitions without significant margin dilution.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Waste Connections has been active on the acquisition front, with over $700 million in annualized revenue expected from these activities. How significant is this for their growth strategy?
Acquisitions are a core part of Waste Connections' growth strategy. The company is on track to achieve a record amount of private company acquisitions, which will contribute approximately 2% to revenue in 2025. This positions them well for sustained growth.
They also announced a 10.5% increase in their regular quarterly dividend. What does this signal to investors?
This dividend increase reflects the company's strong cash flow generation and confidence in their financial health. It's a positive signal to investors about Waste Connections' commitment to returning capital to shareholders while pursuing growth opportunities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, Waste Connections has raised its full-year 2024 revenue outlook to $8.9 billion. What are the expectations for the rest of the year and into 2025?
The company has increased its net income outlook to $1.82 billion and adjusted EBITDA to $2.91 billion for 2024. For 2025, they anticipate high single-digit adjusted EBITDA growth, driven by mid to high single-digit revenue growth and continued margin expansion.
What are some of the operational efficiencies that Waste Connections is focusing on to achieve these targets?
They are focusing on improving employee retention, which has seen multi-year reductions in voluntary turnover. This, along with innovative approaches to employee engagement, is expected to drive further margin expansion in their solid waste operations.
Leadership insights and closing remarks. CEO Ronald J. Mittelstadt highlighted the strength of their operating performance and free cash flow generation. How does this position Waste Connections for future growth?
The strong free cash flow of $1.44 billion year-to-date and a solid balance sheet provide Waste Connection with the flexibility to fund their growth strategy, including acquisitions and dividend increases, while maintaining financial stability.
As we wrap up, what should investors keep an eye on with Waste Connections moving forward?
Investors should watch for continued acquisition activity and how effectively the company integrates these new assets. Additionally, monitoring their progress in employee retention and engagement will be key to sustaining operational efficiencies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Waste Connections has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with significant revenue growth and strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. Key takeaways include a 13.3% year-over-year revenue growth, a 10.5% dividend increase, and a positive outlook for 2025 with high single-digit EBITDA growth expected. Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Waste Connections' performance, so leave a comment below. Until next time, happy investing.